Hello Shucks, I'm very excited to see you. As you can see, Julie has installed her own silicone, she's done her own grouting. She hasn't done a bad job, but it's definitely not professional, right?
It's not going to be as good as Megasealed.
No, so I brought in the professional, so tell me, what are you doing today?
What we're doing, as you can see, we have to identify where the shower leaks.
Yep.
They all leak around the perimeter, and definitely the work part is also around here. So we're going to repair all this. We remove the shower screen, we Megasealed, clean it up, all tight, should be fine for 5 years, and you can shower tomorrow.
Cool, Julie's gonna love it. You finished?
Yes, all done.
Wow, looks so good.
Oh, of course, that's very good.
Looks
Yes.
like a brand new shower. That is awesome. Well, it definitely looks a lot better.